Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here. I am genuinely excited for this video because today is real healing, real transformation, and a story that is worthy to be heard. Let me say up front, I wrote down the points I want to talk about now so I don't miss anything important. When something matters, I want to communicate it clearly. So I am taking you through it step by step. Let's now start with a beautiful, slow breathing to calm and balance the body. Inhale in for 4, hold, exhale for 6. Inhale in for 4, exhale for 6. Now put your hand like this, put it on your knees and feel the body balance. In case you're wondering, I want to introduce Miri, and I want to tell you how Miri's journey began. She came to me stressed, overwhelmed, operating in pure survival mode. But here is the surprising part. She didn't come for herself. She came to try and help someone else. And the moment I look at her, I said, "You need help urgently." Remember that?
I do.
It shocked her, and her body was speaking clearly to me. There is always a moment, a crack in the arm, a crack in the armor where the body says, "I can't carry this anymore." Miri reached that point, but she didn't know it. She wasn't sleeping well. She was emotionally stressed and stretched thin. Her energy was gone. Everything felt too heavy. That's when she decided to start the work. Her symptom was not just symptom. There were signals, years of emotional pressure, survival responses, and nervous system exhaustion. Chronic fatigue and chronic pain don't just appear. They slowly build from stored emotion, stress patterns, and body that hasn't felt safe in a long time. Is that talking to you?
It is.
A powerful moment when she finally spoke. And this is really important. Miri only told me about her real symptom after 6 weekly sessions, when she had already stopped feeling any of them. They all gone. And I remember when she came in, she was saying to me, "You are a miracle man." And I said, "I am not, but you've done everything yourself." And that's how it was, isn't it? Her body needed safety first. Healing happens when the story, and then the story came out. The TatMooda approach, why it worked for her. TatMooda is a method that heals through awareness, sensation, and the body's natural blueprint, not force. What does it mean? We start with awareness before action. We work with the subconscious where the emotional loops lives. We release emotion through body sensations, not reliving trauma. We regulate nervous system out of survival mode. We use imagination, the language of the subconscious. We apply gentle BPI cues, brain pattern interruption cues, to interrupt old pattern. We personalize everything to the person's emotional energetic blueprint. That is why people who have tried everything finally begin to heal. Miri breakthrough moment. Week by week, things start shifting for her. Her body softened. Her emotional load began melting. Her fatigue lifted. Her nervous system finally breathed after years of racing. These are not small changes. They are life-changing. The role of safety and connection. Healing happens in safety. When a person feels seen, understood, and guided with care, the body opens. Miri trusted the process, and I tailored every session for her background, her pace, her blueprint. That what inspired me to build the TatMooda, the subconscious global movement. TatMooda didn't start as a business idea. It started as a calling. I saw how many people live silently in survival mode, overwhelmed by emotional pressure, burnout, and pattern they didn't choose. I wanted to create a pathway that is gentle, accessible, and deeply human. A method that brings people back to themselves. TatMooda is a remembrance, a return to awareness, sensation, inner intelligence. My vision for the future, TatMooda is becoming global movement, emotional education for all ages, healing circles, the TatMooda app, practitioner training, and a world where this kind of healing is normal. One person at a time, one nervous system at a time. Healing humanity. What people need to hear today, if you are listening right now and you're feeling overwhelmed, tired, stuck, or disconnected, please hear that. Healing is not something you fight for. It's something that happens when you reconnect with your body's blueprint. The one beneath fear, stress, and survival. Now, Miri, I want you to talk a little bit about yourself. And when I saw you for the first time, and you came with that person you wanted me to look at and help, I saw their face. They were relaxed. But when I looked sideways and I looked at your face,
Yeah.
I could see the twitches in your face. I could see the high stress. Because when I look at the person in front of me, I always look at their soul. And I felt that soul was lost and she needed help urgently. And that's how we started. Now, as you remember, I was teaching you awareness with yourself, looking at the mirror and recognizing her, then start loving her unconditionally, which you did beautiful job on that, because it is amazing, because this is the hardest part that anyone can do, is to start loving themselves. I remember telling you that you have to maybe think of her as your twin sister.
Yes, I do that.
Yes, and then you recognize her. You don't critics her,
No.
never, but you can love her unconditionally very
Of
easily.
course.
Then also, you were doing the loving moment
All the time.
1 hour after hour for 15 to 30 seconds. That of you obviously brought you in peace with yourself, shut down your pain. And I remember when you came back and you start telling me about the somatic, all your pain and everything. And I said, have you heard about somatic pain? And he said, no, can you explain? Then I told you about the fascia, the connective tissues in your body.
Yeah.
They are all over, everywhere, inside the muscles, under your skins, there, over your skull, behind your neck, around your spine, in the lower back, big area of it, then going beside where the sciatica nerves and everything. Then I explained to you that when you are over and over and over stress for years, the fascia actually freeze and tighten. And then chronic pain there.
Stop.
You can go to MRI like you did,
Oh,
X-rays,
yeah.
whatever
Went
it
from
is,
doctor to
and
doctor.
you can go everywhere. But what happened?
Nobody knew what was going on with my body.
Right, and the pain insisted.
Of
Right?
course. Yeah.
But you didn't tell me that in the beginning.
No, I didn't.
But you worked. But when you came back and you said, they're all gone, it was fantastic. That was a beautiful and warmed my heart.
Yes.
Right?
It did.
And I'm really proud of you,
Thank
what
you.
you did and how you transformed.
Thank you.
How do you feel now, these days, what your emotion, what your feelings are?
I'm just free of pain, no pain at all. I don't get sick, by the way. It's been probably 1 year. No flu, no nothing. I'm always nice and positive inside of me. Even if something happened that I don't like, I just take it and I respond in a nice, positive way to calm down my nerve system, to calm down myself. And I'm really enjoying it, actually.
That's right. I can see also
Yeah.
that you normally now live in the now,
Of course,
which
I
means
do.
you are in your awareness. And when you are in your
Definitely.
awareness, this is amazing.
It's
Okay?
a beautiful feeling, actually. I never felt that way, and I'm really enjoying when I saw you, and then after that, how I'm feeling inside of me.
Beautiful. Amazing. And thank you. Thank you for joining me here today. I really appreciate that very, very much. Thank you all for watching this video today. Awareness is the doorway. When awareness meets the body, things change. And if you are ready to start your own transformation, I guide people through a full process called the Whole Self Embodied Healing Journey, 12 sessions. And each session has its own recorded meditation, visualization, and guidance to embody what you learn in each session. It is the same journey that helped Miri reclaim her life, structured, personalized, and designed to shift your emotional and energetic blueprint from the inside out. If this resonates with you and you are ready for change, you can message me privately. I'm here for you. All you have to do is contact me. And your healing begins the moment you choose yourself. Bye for now.